Hello everyone, this is me Devashmita Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about crops. So let's begin. Crop. A crop is a plant or animal product that can be grown and harvested extensively for profit or subsistence. Crops may refer either to the harvested part or to the harvest in a more refined state. Most crops are cultivated in agriculture or aquaculture. A crop may include macroscopic fungus, for example, mushrooms or algae. Most crops are harvested as food for humans or fodder for livestock. Some crops are gathered from the wild, including intensive gathering, for example, ginseng. Important non-food crops include horticulture, floriculture, and industrial crops. Horticulture crops include plants used for other crops, for example, fruit trees. Floriculture crop includes bedding plants, house plants, flowering garden, and pot plants. Cut cultivated greens and cut flowers. Industrial crops are produced for clothing, fiber crops, biofuel, energy crops, aloe fuel, or medicinal plants. Important food crops. The importance of food crops varies greatly by region. Globally, the following crops contribute most to human food supply: values of kilo person per day for 2013 given in parentheses. Rice 541 kg, weight 527 kg, sugarcane and other sugar crops 200 kg, maize, corn 147 kg, and they after all the measurements are there, you can see it in yourself. I think by this time everyone has read or have seen it. In terms of produced weight, the following crops are the most important one: sugarcane, maize, rice, wheat, potato. Cash crop. A cash crop or profit crop is an agricultural crop which is grown to sell for profit. It is typically purchased by parties separate from a farm. The term is used to differentiate marketed crops from subsistence crops, which are those fed to the producer's own livestock or grown as food for the producer's family. In earlier times, cash crops were usually only a small but vital part of a farm's total yield, while today, especially in developed countries and among smallholders, almost all crops are mainly grown for revenue. In the least developed countries, cash crops are usually crops which attract demand in more developed nations and hence have some export value. Prices for major cash crops are set in commodity markets with global scope, with some local variation based on freight cost and local supply and demand balance. Consequence of this is that nation, region, individual producer relying on such a crop may suffer low prices should a bumper crop elsewhere lead to excess supply on the global market. This system has been criticized by the traditional farmers. Coffee is an example of a product that has been suscep- susceptible to significant commodity futures price variation. So thank you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.